Because of an operation a couple years ago, acid reflux had been destroying my teeth, and I didn't know about it until I actually came here to Cunning, and they explained why my teeth were in such bad shape. And I was losing them, you know, slowly but surely. There was nothing I could do, taking medication to control the acid reflux, but by that point, a lot of damage had been done. You overcompensate by tilting your head down, and you don't want people to see the status of your teeth, you know, and you start to speak like this with your lips are closed more, and it just controls your entire demeanor, your entire attitude, your whole personality changes when you try and compensate for something that is so visible and visual because it's on your face. It made sense to me to go with the All-on-4 procedure. I think the benefits far outweigh doing it any other way. For instance, I could have kept the few teeth that I had and gone with individual implants, even if maybe 2 or 3 on the side were all part of one bridge. But it made sense to do it this way, go All-on-4, because it eliminated any future problems with the teeth that may have remained. And the fact that I was able to do it in one day, it was painless. Dr. Chin was fantastic, and it's just been a terrific experience all around. We have never run into anyone here or met anyone here that hasn't been just nothing more than exceptionally gracious. When we heard the ad on the radio, we called right away, and you know, I said, I'm already an existing patient, and there was a seminar here in this room. I think it was the following night. We came out and listened to the presentation about the All-on-4, and it was terrific. It answered every one of my questions. I did have a couple of questions, you know, regarding potential pain, different visits, what's going to be expected for each visit, how long the entire procedure is before you get the final set of teeth, etc. And they answered everything. It was very logically laid out, and I liked the way it was laid out, and I signed up that night. I think when you go into any type of a surgical situation, you tend to have a level of, you know, nervousness that you're trying to control. The doctors, Dr. Chen, who's doing the procedure that day, put me completely at ease. It was like talking to my dad. It was just terrific. Put me out. When I woke up, I personally really didn't have any pain. I was fine, but we picked up the medications as prescribed. I didn't have to take, me personally, I didn't have to take any of them. I was fine, skated right through it. There was no pain whatsoever, no discomfort. I felt just fine. Physically, yes, things have changed dramatically because I make my living on camera. So going into an audition room, again, I didn't have to, you know, when I'm thanking producers and directors, you know, it didn't have to be this anymore, you know, thank you. Now it's, thank you for having me. And it's a smile. Psychologically, it's a tremendous boost. You feel like an entirely new person. Even sitting here talking to you right now, before the procedure, I would have been sitting like this, or it would have been, you know, something like this. I don't have to do that anymore. Now I can actually look at you, hold my head high, and have a conversation just like any other normal human being, and there's no way that you would know, or anybody would know, that I had any kind of a procedure done. It's changed a lot of things, and all the people that I work with, casting directors, producers, it's like shaving off your mustache or getting a new haircut. They know something's different, but they're not exactly able to put their finger on it. I say, Rob, you look different. Did you lose weight? And I said, no, I'm fine. And I'm able to smile and look at them head on. And it's just a tremendous feeling. It's psychologically, that may be one of the greatest benefits. It really is. I mean, all the health benefits aside, and they're tremendous, the psychological change that it has on you, that you're able to actually hold your head high and speak to people and smile confidently. It's, I don't know if you could put a price on that. I was really astonished at the level of choices that were presented to me, and what we finally decided on makes me very, very happy. I'm very, very happy. So if you are considering any kind of a dental implant procedure, Cunning Dental Group, you do become part of the family.